Hi friends, hi bunny roomers, hi snail class, hi twos class. Today we're going to read a book called Grumpy Bird by Jeremy Tankard. When Bird woke up, he was grumpy. He was too grumpy to eat. He was too grumpy to play. He was too grumpy to fly. "Looks like I'm walking today," said Bird. Bird walked past Sheep. "Good morning, Bird," said Sheep. "What are you doing?" "Walking," said Bird. "Nice," said Sheep. "I'll keep you company." Bird walked past Rabbit. "Hi there, Bird," said Rabbit. "What are you doing?" "I'm walking," said Bird. "It's no fun." "I could use some exercise," said Rabbit. "I'll walk too." Bird walked past Raccoon. "Hey, Bird," said Raccoon. "What are you doing?" "I'm walking," snapped Bird. "What does it look like?" "It looks like fun," said Raccoon. "I'm coming too." Seems like Bird is getting some friends walking along with him, but the bird doesn't seem to want to have these friends along too. Let's see what happens. Bird walked past Beaver. "Hello, Bird," said Beaver. "What are you doing?" "Let me give you a hint," said Bird. "You do it by placing one foot in front of the other." "Walking?" guessed Beaver. "I love walking." Didn't seem very nice when Bird was saying those words to him. He could have said it in a nicer way. But I'm noticing his face is still grumpy. Bird walked past Fox. "Good day, Bird," said Fox. "What are you doing?" "Why does everybody want to know what I'm doing?" shouted Bird. "I'm just walking, okay?" "Okay," said Fox. "Let's go." Bird walked. The other animals walked. Bird stopped. The other animals stopped. Look at his face. I wonder if he's still feeling grumpy. Bird stood on one leg. The other animal stood on one leg too. Look at his face. Bird jumped. The other animals jumped. "Hey, this is fun," said Bird. Look at his face now. Doesn't seem too grumpy to me. "Come on," said Bird, who had forgotten all about being grumpy. "Let's go back to my nest and have a snack." And they did. Look at that. Look at his face. He's no longer grumpy. It changed. The end.